Hello, my friend. Do you ever feel like money slips away no matter how hard you try to save? Or that unexpected bills appear just when you finally feel stable? You are not alone and you are not cursed. The truth is, the new moon carries a unique energy, one that countless cultures across history have used to reset, invite wealth, and restore peace. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, gentle candle ritual that you can do right at home. It takes just a few minutes, but when done with intention, it can shift the way money flows into your life. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a set of affirmations that people all over the world use to call in prosperity. And if you repeat them with me, you may feel lighter, calmer, and more open to abundance right away. Before we begin, let's clear the space. Find a quiet spot, maybe a small table or shelf. Place a simple candle, a bowl of water, and a single coin. That's all you need. Now take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Imagine your worries dissolving with every exhale. The new moon is like a blank page in your life story. It's the moment to release what no longer serves you and write a new chapter filled with peace and prosperity. Close your eyes for just a few seconds. Picture yourself free from stress, smiling as opportunities and resources come to you with ease. Let's begin. Step 1. Light your candle. As the flame rises, whisper to yourself, "As this light grows, so does the abundance in my life." Step 2. Hold your coin in both hands. Feel its weight. This coin represents money already in your life, proof that prosperity is real, and that more can come. Now whisper, "I am ready to receive abundance in peaceful ways." Step 3. Place the coin in front of the candle. This symbolizes wealth flowing toward you, drawn by the light of your own intention. Step 4. Look into the flame. Visualize money flowing toward you. A check in the mail, a debt forgiven, a gift, or simply peace when paying your bills. Stay with this image for a few breaths. Let it feel real. Now repeat after me. Say it out loud if you can, or in your heart if you prefer. I welcome peace into my life. I invite prosperity in gentle, unexpected ways. I am open to receive. I am safe to receive. Abundance flows to me, and I give thanks. Take your time. Let the words sink in. Imagine these affirmations as seeds planted in fertile soil under the new moon sky. With each day, they grow stronger. Whenever you feel financial worry creeping, in return to this ritual, light a candle, hold a coin, and remind yourself that abundance is not a distant dream. It's a flow you can step into at any time. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes to see opportunities, welcome blessings, and feel peace even when challenges arise. If this ritual brought you comfort, let me know in the comments. Did you feel lighter after trying it? Did you notice any shifts in your week? I read every comment, and your stories inspire others in this community. Also, if you'd like more weekly blessings and wealth rituals, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss a chance to invite more peace and prosperity into your life. And one last thing, if you have a friend or family member who's been worried about money, share this video with them. Sometimes the smallest ritual can bring the greatest comfort. Thank you for spending this new moon moment with me. May peace and prosperity surround you always.